one thing for sure is that I think UMNO is back. Why I said UMNO is back? Because there are worries about the Malay voters in KKB. I think a lot of analysis overlook about UMNO's position right now. We cannot disregard UMNO's role because they have been reaching out in a small way to the Malay voters, like a futsal, football, they organize. It is very small. But again, to say that Malay voters voted for a DAP candidate, which is a Chinese candidate, and Pang is closely related to Nga Koming, which is very sensitive to the Malay. I think this has something to do with UMNO. So I guess my first view of KKB result is that UMNO is back.
我觉得巫统这一次的表现是比周选好，而且在经过 KKMA 的风波之后，所以在这样的气氛下，巫统的基层的支持者要去支持西蒙其实是不容易。所以我必须说，巫统这一次落力的助选，证明他本身还有3分钉。